There was an old pub with delicious snacks and tea in a provincial city.
Sir, look at him. He's so very strange.
Yes, he is.
The strange visitor sat at the table looking at the opposite wall. A dancing crane was painted on the wall. The pub owner began to get nervous and asked the guest to make an order.
Sir, please make your order.
Of course, I am ready to order a multi-course meal.
Sir, enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot. The owner was afraid that the visitor would not pay the bill and would slip away.
Please pay your bill.
He came to the guest, touched his shoulders, but suddenly the stranger jumped to his feet, waved his arms and...
Wow, what a miracle!
The painted crane came down from the wall and he began his stunning dance. To its place, the wizard disappeared.
Oh no! My money! Thief! He deceived me!
However, the owner should have been grateful to the magician. After the story, his pub became more popular and he became richer.